Hello everyone, this is Amir from FRAMINGSTORY. Today I will connect my camera with a smartphone. This is Sony Alpha 7 III. You can connect with your any mirrorless camera of Sony. It can be 5 series, 6 series, 7 series, any mirrorless camera of Sony. So let's connect it. First we will turn on the camera. From here, from the third icon, this is the network. From here we'll go to Control W/smartphone, and here is the option to connect with smartphone. We'll make it on, and we can make last one always connected on or off. It doesn't matter. If we keep it on, it will consume more battery. So for time being, we have kept it as on. What you have to do, you have to make this option as connected, and by this time we'll go to Sony app, that is Imagine S Mobile. First we will press connected. Now we will have a connection portal or QR code. If we are going to connect the first time, we have to do the connect with a new camera and scan QR code. So you have got the connection information. Now we'll press OK. You can keep it here like this, and it will take some time to connect with camera, and we have got the initial confirmation. I will select connect, and we have connection. There is a confirmation message. Let's start remote operation. OK. So we have got connection. From here we can get the detailed information like photography or videography mode, that is mode, white balance, shutter speed, aperture, ISO, and some other mode also we can make. If you want to change the photography or videography mode, you have to go to your camera and switch it to your desired mode, as like we are switching to photography mode. If we change any mode in our camera, it will immediately appear in our mobile. So I will show some demonstrate here. From here we can change the aperture, and we can also control the shutter speed, or we can change the burst mode or regular single shooter and timer mode. That's all. Now we'll take a photograph from here as example. We can do it minimize also. Let's capture a photograph. So you have capture a photograph. Now I will show, if you are going to connect it for second time, what you have to do. We'll go to back. As we have this one, our camera name is FRAMINGSTORY. We can simply go to FRAMINGSTORY, and it will automatically connect next time also. Like this, so we can connect second time. So from here we can easily connect our phone, and we can also review the photo or video from here. So by this we can connect with our mirrorless camera. This is really easy. For this kind of useful tutorial, please stay with us. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.